Hey everyone, we have a 2021 Ford F150 Power Boost Edition, and underneath it, I'm gonna crawl underneath my driveway, and our trucks were making a weird clicking noise, and I crawled underneath, and right here is this heat shield right above the drive shaft, and it was just hanging down, hitting the drive shaft. So what I did to fix that is I get some double-sided tape right up in here and push it up, and hopefully that'll hold and keep our clicking noise gone. So just wanted to show everybody that in case you have a 2021 Ford F-150 and you have a clicking noise. Come on the passenger side, about midway through, and there's your drive shaft, and right above your drive shaft is this piece of heat shield that'll just slide flat down and rub up against the drive shaft right there. Hope this fixes your issue and you have a great holiday season.